Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into some rare moments where luck created unforgettable situations. This isn't just about sharing exciting moments, it's also about raising awareness and offering valuable lessons from real-life experiences. So sit back, relax, and enjoy some fascinating stories you won't want to miss. Make sure to check the tailgate and keep an eye on your mirrors regularly to catch any problems early. Quick reflexes saved his life. Lesson learned, always stay alert, you never know what might happen. Everyone needs to watch out for truck blind spots. Luckily, the motorcyclist managed to get up without any injuries. Pay attention to the lights and warning bells at train crossings. Being careless risks your life. Thank God. His whole family managed to stay safe on the road. Driving like that is not just reckless, it's unacceptable. They should lose their license for good and be banned from driving to keep everyone safe. Heroes are everywhere. Thank you for stepping up and saving those in need. Real-life heroes with hearts of gold. She totally deserves a big round of applause. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We're committed to bringing you even better and more exciting content. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.